Hello and welcome to another video. Today I have this Ikea high chair. It's called the antilop high chair. I'm gonna go ahead and put it together, and there's a hack to make it easier to take the tray off. So we're gonna actually make that hack happen, put it together and see how it works. I have a different high chair right now that has cushion on it, and while it might seem more comfortable for your baby, and it is, it's a pain in the butt to clean. These high chairs from Ikea also come with separate cushions that you can purchase. I am planning not to purchase that because the whole point of getting this Ikea high chair was to not have to use the cushions because they are difficult to clean. All right, so let's go through the high chair itself. So as you can see, without the tray, it's just like a little bar so that your kid doesn't fall out of it. And actually the height of the legs isn't too tall, so they will actually the chair will be high enough to actually use with a standard dining table that you might be using. So that's a good way to use this chair without the tray, but you can also use it with the tray. So you can actually buy the table without the tray, and it'll be a little bit cheaper if you didn't want the tray. On the bottom of the tray, you have a way to loosen and tighten the straps. So the straps for the leg and the trunk is down here, and you can tighten it or loosen it depending on the size of your baby, or you can even take the straps off if you don't want them. On the top here, the way the straps go on is just these clasps on the side here. So essentially all you have to do is squeeze and it pops out. And same thing on the other side, squeeze and it pops out. And do it a few times before you put your baby in to make it a little bit looser. On the legs here, there's this tape. You need to take that off to expose the metal pins. All right, so you flip this over. These pins will align with the hole on the legs. So you're gonna, with one finger, push this pin in while you twist this leg in place. There you go. And do that on all four sides. Another easy way to put it in is you see this angled side. You're gonna put the pin that side, push it in, and then you just twist, and it goes in. If you don't want to use your finger to push on the pin, you can just go and slide it with the pin on the one of the sharp angle side of the hole, and then you just twist and push. That's it. Your high chair is essentially ready to use. The tray, let's talk about the hack. The tray has these latches that allow you to clasp it in place over here, right? But these latches, the two of them over here, have this essentially stiffener, which makes it more stiff. So these holes here align with these tabs over here, so you can line those up. And then it pushes right in. That's how the chair is supposed to be put together. And to take it off, you're just gonna pull, and it makes a really loud noise. And then that's all because of these stiff tabs. And so really, it's not too difficult to take off because you need both hands to take it off, but it's mostly the noise. It makes a really loud noise. So to make that go away, you just need a sharp, like a paring knife or something like that, and you cut these things off. So you don't need to cut the whole thing off, but you need to cut, at least like maybe 6-7 millimeters, maybe up to half an inch worth of space in between the two to make it more malleable. So just take your time, and you want to cut all the way to the bottom of the tray. So I have a little piece cut off. I'm going to see how easy it is now to bend it. Yep, definitely much easier than the other side. So this side is still the way it was, and this side is easier. It's easier, but still not as easy as it should be. So I need to go deeper into these tabs. So as you can see, I've cut off this whole sliver here, and then on this side, this whole sliver, making the tabs much more easy to bend, and you can use your thumbs to kind of bend it back to kind of make it more malleable. All right, go in much easily, comes out much easily. super easy to put in and super easy to pull out. Okay, so cutting those definitely does help. It's coming off much easier. You don't have to use the whole force of your hand to kind of pry them apart. All you have to do is a little bit of force and it comes right up and doesn't make that loud banging noise either. So that's it for this video. Hope you found it helpful. This is the IKEA high chair. Fairly easy to put together and super easy to modify to make that unlatching process super easy. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.